81, your temperature, high temperature today, what we're going to be looking at, some really hot weather in places when we're looking across the country. If you're heading to the Midwest today, it's going to be hot. At least we're cooling off. You can see that trough, that cool front that's now in place, that cooler air dropping in from the north. That'll help to cool us off. Just briefly today, we'll be back up into the upper 80s by tomorrow. 67 is your temperature right now. The wind's out of the northwest at 10 miles an hour. Dew point also coming in at 62 degrees. Expect that dew point to be back into the 50s by the time we're rolling into the afternoon. Here's those temperatures for you now. Most places are in the mid to low 60s. Pittsburgh's one of the warmer spots there, coming in at 67 degrees. Washington at 66. High temperature today I have at 81 degrees. I'll put the 10 o'clock temperature there at 71, 78 at 5, and your 4 o'clock temperature there at 81, 80 also by 7 o'clock today. A lot of sunshine expected today. It does look like our best chance for rain is actually come and gone for the day. Temperatures highs today should be right there at around 80 degrees. So I want to get over to radar and satellite imagery. You can see a little bit of rain down in the Somerset area. We also were going to have at least a chance for some rain in Washington and Greene County, but that rain's all off to the west and it's really looking dry at this point. Upper low continues to slide away from us and it's going to pull in some cooler air. So on the back side of the system, we've already had a cold front through, but on the back side of the system, we'll see that trough settling in just briefly today. That'll bring those temperatures. There's not going to be a big warm up today. We should see those temperatures back around 80 degrees this afternoon. All right, we do have chances for some rain. Now, I have us at 40% on Tuesday. Model data, at least the model I'm going to show you, is going to be dry on Wednesday. So I'll just, or I should say on Tuesday. So I'm just going to pass that by. But by the time we get into Wednesday, we will be looking at some rain and storms. I do have a chance for rain in the forecast after 5 on Tuesday, but most of the rain and storms are expected to arrive on Wednesday in the afternoon, including some strong gusty winds. And the further off to the east you go, we could also be looking at some large hail being possible in the south. You always can't rule out completely a tornado being possible. By the evening hours, most places, if you're north of I-70, you'll be dry. You're still looking at some rain and storms just south of I-70. We're already under a level 2 out of 5 for our severe weather on Wednesday. That's fairly rare to see this early, but it is something that we do have in place, and I want you to know that you need to be weather aware on Wednesday, especially in the afternoon hours, as a couple of rounds of strong storms will be possible rolling through. Similar to what we saw yesterday, could see those storms a little stronger though than what we saw yesterday. 81 high temperature today, 88 your forecast high on Tuesday. Because of the storms around, temperatures won't be as warm on Wednesday, 85 degrees. We cool down briefly on Thursday, probably the coolest of the week. 80 your expected high, but look at the weekend. We're back up there near 90 degrees for highs, both on Saturday and Sunday.